Hey there mga my loves, Leo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So ayun mga babes, I hope naririnig nyo pa rin ako kahit sobrang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Ayan mga babes, hindi kasi soundproof tong room ko. So ayan mga babes, alright, So sana nakasilong kayo ngayon at huwag na lang lumabas kung hindi naman kailangan lumabas. At kung nandyan pa kayo sa office, ingat-ingat mamaya sa inyong pag-uwi or office or school. So, ayan mga babes, So, tinan natin, Leo, kung anong meron dito for your October 2023, my loves, mga mensahe na dapat mong malaman. So, thank you so much for your patience and understanding, sa mga noises sa ating surroundings. So, let's see what do we have here for your October 2023, Leo. Spirit and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for me, Leo, for the month of October 2023, please? Can you please show me, Leo, for the month of October 2023, please? What this Leo needs to know for October 2023, please? This is for Leo. Alright. Nakakita ko na mag-asawang nagtutulungan, nag-iipon, nag-iimpok, ng savings nilang dalawa. So, this could be your partner now. This could be your husband or wife right now. So, parehas kayo nagtutulungan at nag-iipon together. Like literally, baka may pamilya na rin sa inyo yung iba rito, At pwedeng para yan sa future ng inyong kids. Nakikita ko na medyo malaki-laki na ang niipon ninyo. So, wow! Congratulations, Nakikita ko rito, na magtatagumpay kayo sa anumang ginagawa mo ng yung partner here. And if that is not yet your partner, like you're not yet married with that person, I can see, na mag-i-invest yan sa inyo. Because this person, if this person is papunta pa lang sa buhay nyo or paparating pa lang, nakikita ko na worth giving a try siya, worth giving a chance kasi nakikita ko na mag-i-invest yan ng emotions and feelings for you. Yeah. So, let's see. Yeah, see, we have here the savings. This is what I'm talking about, honey. Hanggang sa pagtanda yan, hanggang sa pagputi ng inyong buhok. Ay, okay, hanggang sa pagputi ng inyong buhok, mga babes, nakikita ko rito, na magkasama pa rin kayo at mag-iipon kayo para mabigyan ang inyong life, ng maganda rito pamumuhay, yung mga kids ninyo together, see, at masaya kayo. Look at your face here, nakasmile kayo parehas dito, masaya ang inyong magiging buhay pamilya, buhay pag-ibig with that person, At sa pagkahulog nitong card na to, nakikita ko rito na mukhang mahuhulog ang loob mo sa kanya if this is a new person right here, Makikita mo, mga babes, na siya ay may potential dito na maging isang future spouse with you. So, yeah, saving it is nun taray, mga babes. Ito nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, nakita nyo na, wala pa nga tayong binubunot dito, pero ito na agad yung lumabas. So, yeah, definitely, this is someone here na may pagpapahalaga sa value ng pera, hindi yan gastador at inuuna, tinitingnan, tinitimbang, tinitingnan yung advantages, pros and cons, bago bumili at gastusin ng pera. This is someone here na masinop, pero hindi ko nakikitang titipirin ka niyan. Kasi, ibibigay nitong taon na to, ang pangangailangan mo at ng magiging family ninyo. So, yeah, the education of your kids, everything, the house, the home, okay, the car, at kung ano pa yung mga kailangan ng pamilya. Okay? So, we have here the origin. See, magtatanim it is, I can see both of you, It's a long-term commitment right here coming into your life. You could probably meet this person right here while you are out and about. Or baka eco-friendly siya or nature lover kayo. So, whatever the case may be, I can see that this person, aalagaan niya tong relationship na to. Both of you will nurture this relationship, this connection here. I can see na itong tao na to, like, this person here, kung new energy yan, nakikita ko rito, na magtatagal, as in talagang ito na yung magiging forever mo. This is that literal future spouse energy. Yeah, this is someone here na talagang mag-i-invest ng tutuong feelings at emotions with you. So, yun mga babes, kung narinig niyo ingay sa labas, I'm sorry about that. Hindi ko alam kung ba't nagsisigawan yung mga bata, siguro dahil naglalaro sila sa rain. Yan, na sila dito yung mga 'Diba? Maaring isa yun sa mga signs and clues, no? Baka dati rin mga babes, no? Naglalaro rin tong tao na to sa ulan, no? Or this person, meron siya ritong magandang memory nung childhood niya, no? Nung umuulan pag malakas na ulan yun, no? So, I can see that with this person here, pwedeng siya ay may addictions, no? Pero nagkakaroon na siya ng discipline. Or baka kayo to, may addictions kayo mga babes, no? Like, cigarette smoking, maybe this is you, no? On October, healthy lifestyle na kayo, no? Pwedeng yung iba na hindi kumakain ng gulay, kakain na ngayon, no? Yung iba na mahilig rito na manigarilyo, pwedeng binabawasan na paunti-unti. This is you, no? May disiplina ka na rito, no? Sa alam mo rito na parang kino-control, yeah, that's the word, no? Kino-control mo na rito. So, kunyari, no, mahilig kayo magkape, over pagkakape na, sobrahan na kayo ng cup, no? So, pagkakape everyday, babawasan mo na yan. So, I can see that this is you on the month of October, changing your lifestyle kasi gusto mo yung healthy lifestyle, no? This is you watching your health and taking care of yourself, okay? Pwede rin both of you. I can see others, no, na magta-try mag-gym. Yan, no? So, yung iba pwedeng yoga yun, nakita natin. So, let's see at the bottom of the deck. We have here the death and there's this nightmare. See? Beautiful. Okay? Because, kaya mga babes, no, this is an ending right here, no, na walang mawawala dito na magandang bagay or magandang memory. Kundi ang mawawala ay walang iba, kundi ang kinatatakutan ninyo. I can see that your suffering will end. I can see that the darkness will end. I can see, you know, all of the things na kinatatakutan mo rito ay mag-e-end ng unti-unti on the month of October 2023. There's healing. This is that light means hope. This is that light means enlightenment right here of your path, okay? So whatever it is, it's the start of something new. It feels so right to be here with you. Ba yun? Basta it feels so right to start this new beginning right here. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you, okay, na unti-unti na ditong marirelease ang lahat ng takot dito, no? At magkakaroon rito ng pagbabago, no? Nang naaayon sa path na talagang dapat kang mapunta. See? It's a new beginning right here and it's ending of your sorrows, paghihirap, problema rito, no? Masusolusyonan na. And I can see you here moving to a healthy lifestyle. Magbabawas ng pag-iinom ng todo ng kape rito, no? Or yung iba pwedeng hindi naman babawasan yung cup ng coffee, pero pwedeng yung taas, no, ng taas ng coffee, no? Kung dati lampas kalahati, ngayon baka kalahati na lang ng baso, no? Or yung iba, no, pwedeng 3 to 5 cigarettes, no? Ngayon ginagawa nyo ng 2 na lang, no? Unti-unti, nakikita kong nagkakaroon kayo ng discipline dito. And if this is not you, this is the person here that you're dealing with, yeah? So, I can see na siya yung new beginning mo rito, no? Dito nakikita ninyo yung new beginning, no, sa pagsasama nitong dalawa. Ako kitang-kita ko. Okay? Even though that is a new energy, papasok pa lang sa buhay ng iba dyan, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that this is something here na worth it na bigyan mo ng chance. So, let's see more. Taray! Leo. O ayun, paparating na siya rito mga babes, no? Baka siya ay isang Cancer with the Chariot energy but doesn't have to be. Pero dahil minention ko siya, maaring sa iba, no? Siya ay nagtataglay rito ng Cancerian energy. Basta paparating na itong tao na to, yun na nakikita ko rito. At itong tao na to, no, ay maaaring makilala mo sa work right here, no? Or maaaring mga babes, no? This is the type of energy right here that will work things out with you. See, hindi kayo tatanda mga babes, no, na magkasama ng ganyan kung itong tao na to ay hindi nakikipagtulungan or nag-work things out dito. Yeah, this is differently this is different from your past lovers right here. Yun na nakikita ko rito. See? This is a very, very beautiful connection. See? 2 of Cups energy. See? Pinagsasampal na naman tayo ng katotohanan dito. Yeah! Ang connection na to, I'm about to ask this person, angel guides ninyo, what is this connection all about, Leo? See? It's all about abundance. It's all about this Empress. It's all about healing. It's all about kasaganahan. It's all about birth of a new life. It's all about birth of this new beginning. It's all about attracting all you want. It's all about that wow. See? Everything is beautiful in this type of connection here with someone. Yeah. Kaya nakikita ko dito, no, natatanggapin mo itong person na to sa iyong life niya. Kasi ito yung person mo. This is the person you are supposed to meet right here. Okay? Pwedeng higit sa isa yung kanyang trabaho. Nakikita ko yan. Okay, so ano pa? May mga dapat ninyong malaman here. So we have here the Ten of Wands energy. Yeah. Ito talaga yung pinag-investan mo ng matagal for too long. Okay? At makukuha mo na yan. There's celebration in here. Yung nakikita ko rito. Tsaka may nakikita pala ako ditong uuwi sa inyo. Pero parang hindi na siya welcome. Kasi natuto na kayo sa kanya eh. You value now your life. You value now your marriage. You value your resources, your connection. You value yourself. At ngayon pa, na may person ka na sa buhay mo, na ready talaga ritong tumanda ng kasama ka. At ngayon pa, mga babes, no, na meron ditong taong paparating sa buhay mo, na ready talagang tumanda, kasama ka. See? You no longer pay attention to whoever is this. 10 of Wands is in reverse. 5 of Coins. Oh no, this person is coming back home. Pero may iba ng home sa puso mo. You're not welcoming this person back into your life. This person is no longer welcome in your life. So this person will feel rejected. No? Malayo pa lang makikita niya rito ang masakit talaga na katotohanan, no? Na nakangiti ka at alam niya, mararamdaman niya mga babes na yung ngiti mo ay hindi fake, no? Hindi fake ang ngiti mo rito, kundi totoo, genuine, true, tunay. Yeah, no? So nakikita ko rito mga babes, no? Someone here na malulungkot mula sa malayo, no? Kasi pwedeng siya to na nag-decide siya rito, no, na bumalik at makapag-ayos sa'yo rito kasi hindi niya nga alam po paano masasolve yung problema niya. Ten of Wands is in reverse. Magulo rito yung kanyang situation right now, no? And this person, you could be very well invested into this person. You could be married for others of you. Baka ex-husband or ex-wife niya siya noon, no? Para sa iba. Doesn't have to be. Basta siya yung klase ng taong super committed kayo in the past but you've turned your back to whoever is this, lalo na pag meron na rito ang bagong tao sa buhay nyo at may darating pa, no, ngayong buwan ng Oktubre, may abundance dito, may pag-angat sa buhay mo, so ba't ka pa babalik? It's like you, ba't pa ako babalik dun? I now have everything that I need. Yan, no? So, ibig sabihin nun, when you say need, no, meron ka na lahat ng kailangan mo. So, bakit mo pa siya kakailanganin? Isingit, diba? So, whatever the case may be, someone here is on the month of October, no? Pwedeng hindi siya magpakita sa'yo, pero pupuntahan ka niya. At makikita niya rito, no? Whether makita ka niya na may kasamang iba, or makita ka niya na nakangiti, ano? Pwedeng nakita ka niya nakangiti dahil may kausap ka sa phone, or pwedeng nakita niya kanya na naghuhugas ka ng sarili mong kotse, yung gano'n, no? Pinaliliguan mo yung kotse mo, no? Or makita ka niya rito, you're talking with your friends, or makita ka niya rito somewhere, no? Na masaya ka. Mararamdaman niya na maligaya ka, no? Na wala siya sa life mo. See how painful it is, no, for someone to see you like that, no? Na masakit yun sa kanya kasi hindi mo na siya kailangan, ramdam niya, 'di ba? Walang pag-uusap, wala ritong kahit na anong niho, no? Pero mula sa malayo, no, kumukonekta ka sa kanya rito to the point na pwedeng hindi mo siya makita at hindi siya magpakita sa'yo. Pero yung pain ang bigat, no? This is the type of energy right here, no, who missed this opportunity with you. And this person is actually going home na wala siyang napala dito, no? Gumastos lang siya rito tapos yung bigat ng puso at damdamin, no, kayag-kayag niya sa kanyang heart. So, whatever the case may be, I'm picking up that this person right here, no, parang mas napasama pa na makita ka niya ulit in that kind of energy kasi to the point na mas lalo niyang na-realize na wala na siyang puwang sa puso, sa buhay mo. Yeah, that's the energy. I can see you here getting more happier, getting more magaan na life in the next months right here. At sa pagpasok ng 2024, more abundance for you. It's a new life right here. There's new people want to know more about you. New energy, potential future spouse right here. I can see growth in this type of connection. Diba? I'm about to ask the spirits and angel guides of yours, what type of connection would it be? And it showed us this Empress energy and it showed again here. So literally, this will be your support. This is the apat na paa ng mesa right here. This will be your foundation. You will be each other's companion. You will be each other's support. There will be eternal love in here. There will be same feeling, same page kayo ng tao na yan. So you do not need anyone in your life. You will have everything in your life. All the things that you need okay, ay darating sa buhay mo. Kaya hindi mo nakakailanganin dito ng mga old stuffs at old things at old energy. Yeah, so wow. And at the bottom of the deck, we have victory. See, victory, success, ito pinag-uusapan natin, no? Kinonfirm lang dito ng angels and spirit guides ninyo ang mga pinagkukukodako dito, Leo. So, wow, congratulations, honey, because matagal mo itong nilaban, matagal kang nag-invest dito, yung iba recognition, promotion, pera yan parating sa inyo, abundance, prosperity, money. Yan, no? You will harvest that, you're gonna harvest here, whatever it is that you're working so hard for quite a long time. Yeah, hindi tayo ng advices sa inyong angels and spirit guides. Advice for my Leo for the month of October 2023. Ganda guys, marami kayong natutunan dito, no? At pinakamalupit ninyo na ginagawa ay nalaglag ko din natin. At ang pinakamalupit ninyong ginagawa, no, ay ina-apply ninyong lahat ng natutunan ninyo sa inyong life. Yeah, look for a sign here, honey. Something here is coming so fast. See, it's like something here is mabibigay sa inyo ni universe dito. See, may ibibigay sa inyo sa universe dito at tinataas niya yung wand niya dito. So it means na kung ano man to paparating sa inyo dito, no, it's something here na unexpected, but whatever it is, it will make you really, really happy right here. That's what I'm picking up. So let's see more. Wow, look for a sign. So you could be feeling already the sign because the Empress is intuitive as well. Advices for my dear Leo. Leo. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I have here Leo, the romance. See, romance it is. Both people will look at each other eye to eye. Yung iba kaya yan blurred, no? Kasi i-reveal pa lang sa inyo ang feslock, ang itsura, ang mga katangian na pinagkukukodako. Makikita nyo yan right before your eyes, mga mahal, no? Gamit ang inyong mga eyes at gamit ang inyong puso, mararamdaman ninyo yan, no? Kung ano yung mga pinagsasalita ko dito kanina. So, I can see na kung connected na kayo dito sa taon na to, no? Ramdam mo yung mga pinagsasabi kong yun, mga mahal, no? Kaya nakikita ko rito that you're on the right path, no? At kitang-kita mo ang mga signs, no, na meron ditong unexpected na paparating sa yung love life, no? At ang ganda kasi yung tao na yan, susuportahan ka niyan sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay rito. Hindi lamang sa usaping pag-ibig, kundi sa lahat ng areas of your life. Yan yung tao makakasama mo dito hanggang sa pagtanda, Leo. So, wow! And at the bottom of the deck, be assertive. Yeah, mag-a-add yun ng confidence sa inyo na I can see that this universe right here will unveil the truth right here sa inyo, mga mahal, no? This universe right here will give you, mas kasi to mga babes, no, na tinanggal na ni universe dito sa kanyang feslock. So, ibig sabihin, the universe is about to send you some kind of a truth, unexpected right here. So, be confident, be you, be positive right here when it comes to your mindset, kasi whatever it is that is coming towards your way, it's something that gives us this kind of blessing coming forth towards you, Leo. So, thank you so much, mommy love. Sana ngayon love and light. Annyeong.